The cost of fertility preservation depends on the complexity of the treatment. The most simple procedure here is freezing sperm. And generally, depending on your clinic, you can expect to pay about $1,000 to $1,500 in order to cryopreserve your semen. You may have additional costs every year for the continued storage of your sperm. Egg and embryo vitrification is a much more complex and laborious procedure, and this is reflected in the price. Again, depending on the clinic you choose to use, freezing your embryos may cost approximately $12,500, whilst freezing your eggs between $10,000 and $11,000. Added to this, you need to think about the cost of storage. The first year of storage is usually included with the vitrification process, but each subsequent year you will have to pay storage costs, which are usually around $600 a year. Another factor in this is the medication you have to use for the ovarian stimulation to produce the eggs in the first place. And this can be from $500 to $2,000 depending on the particular medication that has been prescribed.